Welcome to Wealth Builders Wisdom, the channel where future millionaires come to get inspired. Today, we're delving into a topic that's been on everyone's lips and screens. Cryptocurrency. Is it the golden ticket to wealth we've all been waiting for? Or is it a digital mirage in the vast desert of investment opportunities? Imagine, if you will, a world where the money you earn, spend, and save is completely under your control. No banks, no middlemen, just pure, unadulterated financial freedom. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi novel. This is the promise of cryptocurrency. But what is cryptocurrency? In essence, it's digital money, a form of currency that exists solely in the digital realm, offering a decentralized alternative to traditional, government-issued currency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are names you've probably heard in passing conversations or seen skyrocketing and plummeting on stock apps. But beyond the buzz and the frenzied fluctuations lies a revolutionary technology, blockchain. Blockchain is to money what the internet was to information, a game changer. It's a ledger, but not the kind you'd find in your granddad's dusty office. This is a digital ledger, transparent and immutable. Transactions made in cryptocurrency are recorded here, visible to all, but secure and tamper-proof. It's this technology that underpins the reliability and potential of crypto as an asset. Now, let's talk about growth. The early adopters of Bitcoin saw their investments grow exponentially. Stories abound of people who turned a few $100s into millions. But with great potential comes great volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can soar to dizzying heights, and then dip to alarming lows in the blink of an eye. This volatility is a double-edged sword. It's where the potential for wealth building lies, but it's also where the risks lurk. But why are we talking about cryptocurrency on Wealth Builders Wisdom? Because understanding crypto is becoming non-negotiable for modern investors. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or find alternative assets, crypto has a magnetic allure that's impossible to ignore. It's a blend of technology, economics, and, yes, a bit of that thrill that comes from venturing into uncharted territories. Now, let's dive deeper into the strategies behind crypto investments. Unlike stocks, where the value is tied to a company's performance, cryptocurrency's value is tied to its adoption, technology, and trust in its system. This is why some have soared to incredible highs while others have fizzled out into obscurity. But it's not just about buying and holding. The crypto world is teeming with opportunities. There's mining, where you can earn crypto by verifying transactions on the blockchain. There's staking, where you can earn rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies. And let's not forget about the burgeoning world of DeFi, or decentralized finance, where traditional financial services like loans and insurance are being reimagined on the blockchain. Of course, with innovation comes complexity. The crypto market is a labyrinth of exchanges, wallets, tokens, and technologies. It's enough to make even the savviest investor's head spin. That's why it's crucial to arm yourself with knowledge, to understand the intricacies of what you're investing in. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. But let's take a pause here. Why should you, as a viewer of Wealth Builders Wisdom, care about all this? Because the ethos of cryptocurrency, independence, innovation, and the potential for growth, aligns with the very principles of wealth building that our channel stands for. Cryptocurrency isn't just a financial fad. It's a new frontier in the world of finance. It's redefining what it means to build and manage wealth. It's challenging the status quo and giving power back to the people. And that's the crux of it, isn't it? Power to the people, the democratization of finance, the ability to be your own bank. These aren't just lofty ideals but are becoming tangible realities with cryptocurrency. So, let's delve into the how of it all. How does one get involved in the world of crypto? It starts with education. Understanding the market dynamics, the technologies at play, and the risks involved is paramount. And this is where we step in, to guide you through the maze of information, to help you make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. But where do these financial goals intersect with cryptocurrency? Perhaps you're looking to secure your future with investments that have the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrency can be that high-stakes game where the risk-reward ratio is unlike any traditional investment. Or maybe you're interested in the transformative potential of blockchain technology and how it's being used to create a more equitable financial system. Let's consider the wider impact of crypto. We're seeing entire countries like El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, a move that could redefine national economies. We're witnessing companies adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets, a nod to crypto's growing legitimacy as a store of value. And let's not overlook the cultural tide, with artists and creators turning to crypto to monetize their work directly through NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are more than just digital art. They represent a shift in how we perceive ownership and value. They allow creators to connect with their audience without intermediaries, in a marketplace that is as open as it is diverse. This isn't just a marketplace, it's a movement. And as wealth builders, understanding this movement could be pivotal in crafting a future-proof investment strategy. As we navigate this brave new world of digital assets, we must also be mindful of the regulatory landscape. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Some are embracing it, others are cautious, but the direction is clear: regulation is coming. And with it, will come new challenges and opportunities for investors. Diving deeper, let's explore the concept of tokenomics, the economic policies that govern a cryptocurrency's issuance, distribution, and value. Tokenomics can make or break a crypto project. It's the heartbeat of any token, and understanding it can give you an edge in identifying potential winners in the crypto race. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the concept of community in the crypto space. Cryptocurrencies aren't just built on code, but on communities. The strength and engagement of a crypto community can often be a more reliable indicator of a project's potential than any technical analysis. After all, in the world of decentralization, the community is the closest thing to a board of directors. And speaking of community, if you're enjoying this deep dive and want to be a part of a community that's all about growing wealth intelligently, consider subscribing to Wealth Builders Wisdom. Here, we're not just following trends. We're seeking to understand the underlying currents that move the financial world. As we build on our crypto knowledge, let's not forget about security. The freedom that comes with crypto also comes with responsibility. Safeguarding your digital assets requires diligence. From choosing the right wallets to understanding the importance of private keys, security in the crypto world is paramount. But with every measure of security, there's also the need for accessibility. Crypto is breaking down barriers to financial services, offering unbanked populations a chance to participate in the global economy. It's about financial inclusion, where access to wealth-building tools isn't limited by geography or socioeconomic status. As our exploration nears its end, let's ponder the road ahead. The future of cryptocurrency is as unpredictable as it is exciting. With developments like central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, on the horizon, the fusion of traditional finance and crypto seems inevitable. The question is no longer if crypto will be a part of our financial future, but rather how integrated it will become. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the game, cryptocurrency demands attention. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a new chapter in the evolution of money, and potentially, a cornerstone in the edifice of personal wealth. Thank you for joining us on this expedition into the heart of digital wealth building. As we sign off, remember to like this video if it's given you insights and subscribe for more content that empowers your financial journey. This is Wealth Builders Wisdom, where we're not just watching the future unfold, we're actively shaping it. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and continue to build your wealth. Wisdom isn't just about having the knowledge. It's about using it to create a future that aligns with your vision of prosperity.